In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a book trailer on Canva. We'll walk through a simple professional workflow so your trailer looks cohesive. Sounds great and keeps viewers engaged from the very first frame. Start by opening Canva and searching for book trailer. Under the pre-designed templates, pick one that matches your genre and tone. Templates give you a strong starting structure, layouts, placeholders, and pacing, while still letting you customize every detail to fit your story. Next, head to the Elements tab and search for videos or photos that suit your vibe, like dark forests for a thriller or cozy cafe for a romance. Drag your chosen visuals onto the canvas to replace placeholders. Aim for footage or images that are clear, high quality, and consistent in lighting and style, so the trailer feels unified. If a clip is busy, frame it so your text will still be legible. Go to Uploads and import your book cover. Place it where it's easy to see and keep it crisp and centered. This is the visual anchor for your trailer, so make sure it pops and isn't squeezed by other elements. Click Text to add your story points. Keep it concise. Short lines with strong verbs work best. Use no more than 2 fonts, one for headings, one for body text. This creates a clear hierarchy and prevents your design from feeling chaotic. Choose colors with strong contrast against your background so every word is readable at a glance. Create unity by keeping fonts and colors consistent across all slides. Reuse the same sizes and positions to make your sequence feel intentional. Duplicating a slide and swapping the content is an easy way to preserve consistency while moving the story forward. Adjust timing by clicking a scene and then the clock icon. A good rule of thumb is 3 to 5 seconds per second slide. Faster cuts build energy, slightly longer holds. Let viewers absorb key lines or titles. Keep a steady rhythm so your audience can follow along. Animate elements by selecting text or images and choosing Animate. Subtle motions like fade or rise feel polished and don't distract from the message. Keep animations consistent to avoid visual noise. For music, go to Elements, then Audio, and search for a mood that fits: suspenseful, romantic, or upbeat. You can also upload your own recorded audio. Drag the audio below the timeline and use BeatSync to automatically match scene changes to the music. Click play to preview in full screen and check flow, timing, and clarity. When you are happy, click Share, then Download, and select MP4 video. Once downloaded, your trailer is ready to upload to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Thanks for watching.